Hi students, today we are starting our next topic of the chapter, that is RNA word. RNA works as a genetic material as well as catalyst. Catalyst, you know very well, these are the substances which are not taking part in the reaction but they increase the rate of the reaction. RNA being catalyst was reactive and hence unstable. Thus, DNA was evolved from RNA with chemical modification that makes it more stable. DNA being double-stranded and having complementary strand further resists changes by evolving a process of repair. Now, we are starting with DNA replication. A simple mechanism of DNA replication occurs as suggested by Watson and Crick on the basis of its double helical structure. During replication, weak hydrogen bond between the nitrogenous bases of nucleotide are separated so that two polynucleotide chain of DNA also separate and uncoil. The chains thus separated are complementary to each other. Because of specificity of base pairing, each nucleotide of separate chain attract its complementary nucleotide from its cell cytoplasm. Once the nucleotide are attached by hydrogen bond, their sugar radicals unite through their phosphate components, which complete the formation of new polynucleotide chain. Thus, each chain of double helix of DNA serve as a model in which its complementary chain is built. The method of DNA replication is described as semi-conservative method because each daughter DNA molecule is hybrid, conserving one parental polynucleotide chain and synthesizing one another. Now we will talk about DNA replication. This is DNA structure as we know. This is cytosine, guanine, adenine and thymine. Replication means replica of DNA is formed, means exact Xerox copy of DNA is formed and it becomes single stranded. You can see if it breaks from between, it will become in this manner. These are nucleobases, these are base pairs and this is helix. Now here from center it is segregated. Now cytosine, guanine, adenine and thymine is replaced by uracil when it is RNA. Or in other words, we can say double-stranded DNA converts into single-stranded RNA, which is known as DNA replication. Here, it should be clearly noticed by us that thymine, which is in DNA, double-stranded DNA, when it becomes single-stranded, thymine is replaced by uracil. So it is RNA and it is DNA. Now here we will see this is the DNA polymer. This is new strand and this is old strand. What does it mean? That when it replicates, when DNA divides into two parts, half of the part of the DNA comes from male parent and half of the part of the DNA comes from female parent. They both are joined and it becomes complete DNA. Due to this, new characteristics are transformed from one generation to another and new DNA polymer is formed. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending its PDF. Thank you.